Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of Softeous IoT Suite. In this video we will learn about using dashboards and reports. So we are currently on the home screen of the suite. If you look at side bar, you will find Dashboards menu. Click on Dashboards menu. Now you are able to see 4 different dashboards here. Click on burger icon under Actions column. As you can see, dashboard name Inverters. Inverters KW has opened. As you can see, this dashboard is showing data of electricity produced by 17 different inverters. Now on the top right corner of the dashboard you can see 2 buttons. 1. Inverters KW. 2. Real-time last 10 hours. Number 1 button is called Dashboard Switcher and number 2 is called Edit Time Window. If you click on Edit Time Window, then you can see 2 tabs. The first one is Real Time. In this you can see data on real-time basis according to user's updation. The second one is History. In this user can see historical data according to his or her updation. Coming on to Dashboard Switcher. If you click on this, you will see other dashboards also. As we can see here, 3 more dashboards. So let's click on Solar Calendar. Now see, we have switched to other dashboard named Solar Calendar with ease. That was all for the dashboards. The data shown here was just for demonstration. Actual dashboards and all features could be modified according to the organization. Now let's talk about reports. We are back to the home screen. In the sidebar you can see Reports menu. Click on the same. As you can see on the screen, Reports Center has opened. In this you are able to see 3 different reports. Let's click on third one for more explanation about reports. As report of inverter-wise production has been opened. On the top right of the reports you will see a button, Reports Control plus K. Click on that and you can switch between other reports. Or if you press Control plus K from keyboard, same will open. Now alongside the button there is Download button. Click on the same and you can see a downloader window has opened. On the top right of the downloader window you can see 2 buttons. One is Download. If you click on it, you can see multiple formats in which you can download. For example, I clicked on Excel, then my report will be downloaded in Excel format like this. Now let's open the downloaded report. See, this is report we downloaded. Now the next button is of configuration. As I have selected both bar chart and data table, so I am able to see both. But if I click on bar chart, then only bar chart will be downloaded. And vice versa. Now coming below the download button there is filter button. Click on that. Now we can see many filters here. There are basic 3 filters. And rest will be or can be updated as per project or organization demand. The first option is Pivot. Since it is already enabled, the data we are viewing is already pivoted. As we are seeing data of all the inverters collectively, but if we disable Pivot, then we are able to see data of just one inverter. The second option is Flat Time Series. If we enable this, we can now view the data for all the inverters separately, date-wise, in a single chart. The third option is Date Range, which allows the user to filter and view the report's data based on their selected date range. Now coming below Filter button we can see 3 buttons in the chart. The first one is used to switch between different inverters. The third one is to view data in tabular form. And second one is to view data graphically. Now coming towards the top left corner below the report's name. User can click on Date Range and select data to be filtered or viewed for a particular day, date, or date range. That's all for the reports. The data used in this tutorial is only for demonstration purpose as it includes sample data. Thanks. Hope this tutorial has cleared all the doubts regarding dashboards and reports. If you have more queries for the same, you can contact us on our website www.softeous.com or can mail us on rajat@softeous.com.